Hello, this is an introductory video on cells for Biology 430. The first thing we have to define is, what is a cell? If you look up the definition of a cell pretty much anywhere, you will see it defined along the lines of the smallest living unit, or the building block of all living organisms. There are prokaryotic cells, which don't have a distinct nucleus, as represented by these purple squiggly lines. Prokaryotes are single-cell, aka unicellular organisms. On the other hand, plant cells and animal cells are both examples of multicellular eukaryotic cells, which do have a nucleus, as well as other organelles, which we will cover later. Since this is a human anatomy class, we will focus on the animal cell. As multicellular organisms, we are essentially bundles of specialized cells. The cells found in the heart are one example. A heart cell would specifically be referred to as a cardiomyocyte. Cardio means heart, so whenever we talk about cardio exercise, that's essentially exercise that really gets your heart pumping. Cyte just means cell. Myo means muscle, since heart cells are a type of muscle cell, as we will later learn. The function of the heart cells would then be to pump blood throughout the body, allowing us to survive. Having many different types of specialized cells allows us to assign different functions to them so that they can focus on one task and work together to keep us alive. There are too many different types of cells to list all of them, so here's just a few more. For brain cells, there's a lot of different types, but as a catch-all term, we can call them neurons, as these would help send signals to or from or within the brain, such as when we need to maintain homeostasis. There are keratinocytes, named after the protein keratin that is commonly found in skin, and the skin helps create a barrier between the inside of our body and the outside world. Fibroblasts are cells that make up connective tissue and can also be found in the skin. They are important for providing structure and also for wound healing. Red blood cells are called erythrocytes, and those help distribute oxygen throughout the body. That's it for this video, and in the next one we will begin discussing characteristics of the cell, starting with the cell membrane.